Hi guys! This time of the year we need food that keeps us warm. Whether it's to prevent a cold or heal from a cold or just stay comfortable because it's so cold outside. This is the recipe, or this is my go-to recipe during the winter months for keeping warm, for healing cold and just enjoying a nice cup of something warm. This is my go-to soup recipe. It's really simple, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it tastes like a warm hug. I really love this chicken soup and I'm really happy to finally share it with all of you. You will need 2 medium onions for this soup, and you just want to peel the onions and leave them whole, so you just need to peel them, don't do anything else to them. Then you also want to peel the garlics. For some reason my garlics were not that good, so I had to also remove the bad bits. So if you have the same problem, just remove the bad bits, you can still use the garlic. Then I'm also using 2 stalks of celery. I've washed them well and I'm gonna remove the end bits. And then I'm just going to cube them into these small pieces. Then you will also need 2 medium carrots. You want to peel the carrots and grate them on a small or fine grater. Now I'm gonna share a little tip with you guys for what I've been doing lately so that I don't have to fish those peppercorns out of my soup. So I'm using this kind of tea sieve and I'm adding the peppercorns there. That's how I can then remove them easily once the soup is ready. Then you need a medium pot of 3 liters and you want to add the chicken thigh to it along with the onions, the celery, the laurel leaves, the peppercorns, and cover everything well with some cold water. Then you want to cover it with a lid and bring to boil. Once boiling, turn down the heat and allow it to simmer for an hour. After an hour, you can remove the chicken thigh and add in the noodles. I'm using some alphabet noodles, but you're free to use any noodles that you like. They have to be quite thin though. And also add in the grated carrot. Give it a short mix and cover again. So at this point I realized I didn't salt the soup, so you should add the salt actually at the very beginning when you just start boiling the soup. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt and giving it a short mix and adding in the chicken. I've just shredded the chicken, removed the bones and also the skin. Then you also want to add in the dry thyme. I'm using about 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Then you want to cover again with a lid and simmer for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, give it a good mix, taste for salt, and if needed, add in some more salt. Now your soup is ready for serving. So it's a really simple to put together soup. It doesn't require a lot of work, it doesn't require a lot of time, but what it does keep you warm and it does make you really happy. This is the way my mom makes chicken soup. I did add a little twists from myself, as I always do. by adding the celery and by grating the carrot. That actually I don't remember exactly how she used to do, but this is a recipe that my mom taught me how to make, and I have made it like this ever since. I hope you also like this our kind of family chicken soup recipe, and if you do, don't forget to show that thumbs up both for me and for my mom, so that we know you're enjoying this recipe. Also, in the next couple of months, I will be bringing similar dishes that keep you happy, that keep you warm, and that get you through the winter months. So if you don't want to miss those recipes, don't forget to tap that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss when the new recipes come out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.